Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I promised, the A is rolling, aired up. Now, I don't want anybody thinking, oh my gosh, she's close to having it done. No. Not close, no. Still a lot of work. But it looks good, it's level. I'll take you around here and check it out. It's probably pretty close to ride height. She's low. We still gotta do shocks, finish the air ride, leveling valves. Show you guys doing all that. Still gotta do firewall. But she's low. It's probably settled a little bit too. Still have not mounted the back of the body yet. Like I said, that's not fun. I don't know. Still debating on when to do that. I'm gonna work on shocks next. We'll get the suspension all done. And we got the old Hellhound out. We got the Powerama Custom Show coming up this weekend. She's gonna need a bath when we get there. We're driving her down. Hopefully the weather holds out. We got Jake's truck. Need to get back on that once the weather breaks. We did go the other day. We got all new brake stuff for the back. Gonna do pads for the front. We're gonna try to run the old calipers. I don't know. I imagine we'll probably end up replacing them too, but we're gonna try it. There's all my junk. Don't mind that. So that's what we got going on anyway. That's Model 8, and like I said, it's still all in, building stages. We're gonna go power wash the engine, transmission, rebuild the transmission, probably reseal the engine completely. Boy, she got some leaks. Like I said, I think we're gonna finish up the suspension, get the shocks mounted, figure out what I'm gonna do there. Boy, I don't know. But I'm happy to see it out. Happy to see that out too. Springs are coming. Spring's coming. All right, so we got the A back in the garage. I don't know. You're not getting much of a video this week. They had one last week. We had some things going on. I don't know. Just didn't feel like working on anything. Everything that was going on. But trying to think of ideas to mount shocks. Obviously, we got to mount radiators, shocks, headlights, all that stuff up front still. I'll flip you around here. See how we got to mount a radiator somewhere, shock somewhere. I don't know. Trying to come up with an idea to mount the shocks. Probably mount radiator and the shocks all together, maybe. Possibly. Sure. And then in the back, that's gonna be fairly simple. We'll just make some mounts come off the axle and then come off the axle up to the frame or whatever. Maybe we can make something else come off of here. I don't know. We'll get it figured out. All right, that's going to be the end of the video. I don't have much for you. I don't have any parts to start building anything. You know, I ain't got any shocks to do my mock-up with. But we'll be going down to the Powerama show this weekend with the Hellhound. So we'll have a video of that coming. That should be a good time. Never been there, but it should be a good show. Big indoor one. I don't know. I don't think I got any other updates for you after that. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys.